Ndeewono ndị be anyị, afa m bụ Chioma, aha chanel a bụ Igbo Academy. Isiokwu anyị tata bụ atụmatụ okwu a na-akpọ mbụrụ. Atụmatụ okwu ka anyị si wee maa n'olu bekee bụ figures of speech. Mbụrụ wee bụrụkwa metaphor. So figures of speech is atụmatụ okwu and mbụrụ is metaphor. Mbụrụ bụ atụmatụ okwu na-akọwa na ihe a na-ekwu maka ya bụ ihe ahụ kpọmkwem. It tells us that what we're talking about is what it is. It doesn't say that it looks like, it just tells us that this thing is what it is. Ọ bụ ka mbụrụ ji akọwa ihe ọbụla a na-ekwu maka ya. Ọmụmaatụ: ebere bụ azụ na mmiri. This number one example. Ebere bụ azụ na mmiri. It means ebere is a fish in water. Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na ebere mara egwu mmiri ọfụma. When someone says someone is a fish in water, it means the person can swim very well. So ebere bụ azụ na mmiri. Ebere mara egwu mmiri ọfụma. Ya bụ ihe ọ pụtara. Nke abụọ, nwafọ bụ ezi. Nwafọ is a pig. Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na nwafọ na-eru ezigbo unyi, ọ naghị adị ọcha. It means that nwafọ is very dirty, is always very dirty. That's why you call him a pig. When you say nwafọ is a pig, it means that he is very dirty. He's always dirty. Number 3, nwaanyị ahụ bụ ụsụ. Nwaanyị ahụ bụ ụsụ. That woman is a bat. Nkọwa mbụrụ a, nwaanyị ahụ jọrọ njọ nke ukwuu. It means that that woman is very ugly. That's why you say that she is a bat. Number 4, Amuche bụ akpị. Amuche is a scorpion. Amuche bụ akpị. Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na Amuche abụghị ezigbo mmadụ. Ọ na-emesi mmadụ ike. Amuche is not a good person. She deals with people. When you say that somebody is a scorpion, it means that the person stings hard. Number 5, Nweke bụ egbe na-ebu ọkụkọ. Nweke bụ egbe na-ebu ọkụkọ. Nweke is a kite that carries chickens. What it means? Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na Nweke bụ onye ohi, ọ na-ewere ihe mmadụ. It means that Nweke is a thief and he takes people's things. That's why you call him Nweke bụ onye na-ebu egbe na-ebu ọkụkọ. Number 6, Ekene bụ mbe. Ekene is a tortoise. Ekene bụ mbe. Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na Ekene na-aghọ aghụghọ nnukwu. It means that Ekene is very tricky, or that Ekene is very trickish. Just like a tortoise is very cunning. That's what it means when they tell you that Ekene bụ mbe. Number 7, Uche bụ jaki. Uche bụ jaki. Uche is a jackal. We know them in Nigeria here for carrying heavy loads. A jackal. So what it means is that Uche na-ebu ibu nnukwu. It means that Uche carries heavy loads. That's why we call him jaki. Bịa nwoke ma ịbụkwa jaki o. What it means is that this man, bịa nwoke ma, this man, you can carry heavy loads. You used to carry heavy load. Number 6, nwata ahụ bụ nkapị. Nwata ahụ bụ nkapị. That child there's a type of rat that used to have a long nose and smells. It gives out an offensive odor. That's the nkapị. Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na nwata ahụ na-esi isi nnukwu. That child smells very well. So when you hear that this child, nwata ahụ bụ nkapị, means that that person smells very well. Smells very bad. Very, very bad. Number 7, nwoke ahụ bụ nkịta. Nwoke ahụ bụ nkịta. That man is a dog. That man is a dog. Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na nwoke ahụ na-esogharị nwaanyị nnukwu. Nwoke ahụ na-esogharị nwaanyị nnukwu. It means that he goes after women a lot. That's why we call him nkịta, a dog. Number 8. Nwata ahụ bụ nwamba. Nwata ahụ bụ nwamba. That child is a cat. Nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na nwata ahụ bụ onye mmegharị. It means that child sneaks around. Sneaks. You can hardly catch that person. The person sneaks. The child, he sneaks around. Number 8. Nwaka ego bụ enwe manyere n'ọhịa. Nwaka ego bụ enwe manyere n'ọhịa. The meaning, the translation in English is that nwaka ego is a monkey that is stuck in the bush. Yes, nwaka ego is a monkey that is stuck in the bush. The nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na nwaka ego anaghị esu ike n'ala na be ha. It means that nwaka ego doesn't sit in a place. She doesn't sit in their house. She goes from house to house, from one person's house to anybody's house, to another person's house. She doesn't like staying in her own place. That's the meaning of nwaka ego bụ enwe manyere n'ọhịa. Then number 9. Amaka bụ atụrụ. Amaka bụ atụrụ. Amaka bụ atụrụ means that Amaka is the sheep. The nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na Amaka na-ezuzu ezuzu. Amaka misbehaves. She behaves like atụrụ. In Igbo language, and the time Igbo atụrụ, it means that you don't have sense. You don't have sense. You have to go and get sense. You don't have sense. You just behave anyhow. That's the meaning of atụrụ. Then Ada bụ edi. I don't know the name of this edi in English language, but whenever you hear edi, Adaku bụ edi, it means that Adaku, okay, the nkọwa mbụrụ a bụ na Adaku na-arahụ oke ụra. Adaku sleeps a lot. Edi is like an animal that sleeps. I don't know the name of the animal that sleeps a lot, but once you hear someone tells you it means that you sleep too much, that even if the house is burning down, you won't know because you're sleeping. So namadu bedi means that the person sleeps too much. So you should know all these things. When someone says that you are an animal, as in it means that you behave like that. You know, you are that animal. Means that if the animal is smelly, you're smelly. If I say you're a tortoise, it means that you're cunning. If I say you're atoro, it means that you don't have sense. You just move anyhow. If I say that you're lazy, if I say that you're a pig, it means that you smell bad. If I say that you're happy, it means that you're very wicked. You don't treat people well. If you're a scorpion. If I say that you're a tortoise, it means that you're very cunning. So these are all the metaphors we have. You can add to your own, and you can just translate these animals from English to Igbo language, because the same thing goes in English language too. If someone wants to tell you a figure of speech, if someone is telling you is telling you something based on this figure of speech, if someone is telling you that you're a tortoise in English language, you know what the person is telling you. Just like that too in Igbo language. Ọ bụ otu a ka mbụrụ ụfọdụ enwere n'asụsụ Igbo na nkọwa ha si were dị. Werezie aka gị chọta ndị ọzọ ma nyekwa nkọwa ha. So you know what mbụrụ is now in Igbo language, which we all know in English is called metaphor. Mbụrụ, that is what you are. It doesn't twist it. It doesn't say that you're like just unlike the iyiri, which is the simile. No, it just tells you this is what it is. Thank you so much for sticking to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Kemesia, Kodibazia.